gras foam. And here's the second course.
All right, which of you vultures swiped one of my mac and cheese bites?
Which I was saving. Actually, I didn't eat it. Oh, my bad.
Si Luan empezó a proteger su comida, yo también puedo jugar ese juego.
That's it! You guys really crossed the line this time. If someone could gently let me down, I think I have an idea. Then no one can mistake theirs for someone else's because they're color-coded.
I call it Mind-Strone because it's mine.
Lemon air in a jar. High-end, yet low-cal.
Honey, no offense, but... I call that stuffed peppers, and I got dibs on it. Next stop, Yellow Zone. Street name, Sheep. Well, see you later.
There's an investor in the living room waiting to try my food and all my ingredients are gone.
He must have gotten them out of the trash.
What? Why would you do that? I better go tell No Time Tim his afternoon just opened up. Wait, what? I've been all over the world and every chef serves me the same thing.
We do hugs. So how did it go?
Closer to my dream of owning a restaurant.
I'm so proud of you, honey. And all his other leftovers, too. That's wonderful. This calls for a celebration.
I am talking about the water side. Oh, Maria, that's you. Oh, Maria, that's you.
Ay, Mama, you know I don't believe in any of that Ernesto stuff.
Yeah, me neither.
I mean, how did he know? Don't you have any other clean clothes?
Trust me, mis niños. Ernesto's predictions always come true.
Wow,
Come on, Mom. This is our train.
are you sure I'll fit?
The airport is coming up on the right. But his date with Destiny is to the left. Where are you?
We're right here.
Oh, good. My stomach was starting to rumble.
Oh, hey!
It's time to get rid of this T-bone head. I always get those two mixed up.
I'm not gonna make my flight.
Why can't I ever find a nice, normal guy?
Maria?
Arturo?
Pineapples!